On this episode, we're off to Soren Pass. It's up in the Dragoon Mountains. Come along with us. Named after the 3rd U.S. Cavalry Dragoons who battled the Chiricahua tribe during the Apache Wars, the Dragoon Mountains stretch 25 miles in length. They are part of the Sky Islands complex of mountains in southeast Arizona. Middlemarch Pass was the halfway point on the route used by the military from Sulphur Springs Valley to Tombstone. The pass crests at approximately 5,900 feet. The pass is accessible via Middlemarch Road that stretches between Tombstone on the west side to Pierce on the east side of the range. Soren Pass is accessed near Middlemarch Pass on Forest Service Road 345A. Originally used for access to the Averill Mine where the road ultimately dead ends, 345A stretches about 5 miles where it crests the pass. The road from Soren Pass to the mine, about 2 miles long, is a very narrow shelf road with extremely steep drop-offs and is better suited to smaller vehicles. This road requires high-clearance vehicles to traverse the rugged trail. There are 2 mine adits, a windmill, and stock tanks along the trail as well. Soren Pass crests at about 7,000 feet. A cattle guard marks the top of the pass where the road then tees. Continuing to the right will take you down the shelf road to the Averill Mine, and turning to the left takes you to an area to park where you can then walk out to the overlook where the scenery is simply stunning. This mine is fairly large but shows no sign of any actual veins of good ore and is more than likely nothing more than an exploratory dig. The jaggedness of the rock indicates that they were digging against the grain of the rock, usually done to find good veins in the rock strata. My research indicates that it is unnamed, a common practice for exploratory mines. It stretches about 250 feet into the mountainside and is tall enough to stand up in. That's it for this adventure. I hope that you enjoyed following along with us. Perhaps this video has inspired you to get out and explore the area around you, and maybe make Soren Pass a destination to visit. Until next time.